Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to get descriptive statistics with available Python libraries. Now, the first thing to do when working with Python is to create a folder. Let's create a folder on our desktop or document and name it Stat. Then we go to our spider and locate where we created the folder, which is the desktop. Start. Copy file directory and we paste it here. New file. So anything we are doing here will be saving automatically into the folder we created here, which is Start. Now let's begin. Descriptive statistics is about describing and summarizing data. It uses two main approaches. First is the quantitative approach, which describes and summarizes data numerically, and the second, which is the visualization approach, with charts, plot, histogram, and other graphs. Now let's import our libraries. Pandas, import NumPy, we import statistics, we import SciPy, Now let's say we want to calculate our mean. Mean is also called the sample arithmetic mean, or simply let's say the average. Let's say we have this data set. Let's say we have 3 minus 6 9 and we need the mean for this data set using Python. First we create variable. Then we call the statistics library which we imported. Here we call the function mean. Let's run our code. Can you see the mean for this data set is 6.4. You can as well calculate the weighted mean. Let's say this is our x and we have y, let's say x, let's say, and w. So we have this data. And we need the weighted mean. Let's make everything look neat and clean. For the weighted mean, create a variable. Let's say w mean. Then pass np dot average. Then we pass our x. Then weight. Let's run this code. I think there's a mistake somewhere. W is not defined. Okay, this is our weighted mean. Can you see that? We can as well calculate harmonic mean using Python library. Let's do this. Let's say we have this data set here. Let's say I will need the harmonic mean for this data set. Create a variable. Say h mean. They will call statistics. Harmonic mean. Pass our data, just x. Let's run our code. Can you see? This is the harmonic mean for our data set. We can also use the SciPy library to calculate the harmonic mean. Can you see we got the same answer using different libraries? You can as well calculate the geometric mean in Python. Let's do this. Make our code explanatory. That's why I'm doing all this. Create a variable. Let's say jmean. Call the statistics function here. Geometric mean. Let's run our code. Can you see? This is our geometric mean. You can as well use the SciPy library to calculate the geometric mean. Let's do this. Let's run our code. Can you see? We got the same answer using different library, which is the statistics library and the SciPy library. Let's calculate our median. The median is the middle element of a sorted dataset. Dataset can be sorted in increasing or decreasing order. the variable, let's say median. There are two things when calculating median. First, we sort the dataset and find the middle element in the sorted dataset. Now, this code here will do that for us. Let's run our code. You can as well calculate mode using Python. Mode is the value in a dataset that occurs most frequently. If there isn't a single such value, then the set is a multimodal since it has multiple modal values. Let's do this. We should note something, that if there is more than one modern value, then this mode function will raise statistical error. Now, what we're going to use now is the multi-mode function. So let's do this. Let's say we have this data set. We won't use the mode function here, we will use the multi-mode function. So, my statistics. Let's do this. Can you see?